A viral video featuring Pastor John Nanosike has sparked excitement among Nigerian music star Davido fans. The pastor, who leads New World Faith Ministries in Cape Town, South Africa, claims God revealed to him that Davido is destined for greatness. According to Pastor Nanosike, Davido has been divinely anointed to play a crucial role in saving Nigeria's economy. He even prophesied that Davido would one day become Nigeria's president, bringing about significant transformation to the country. Nanosike shared a vision where he saw God pouring oil on Davido's head, signifying his divine appointment. Davido's fans, known as 30BG, are thrilled by the prophecy. Many are expressing their excitement and praying for the singer's future success on social media. Some fans believe this prophecy is a sign of Davido's destined greatness, especially after his recent interaction with his daughter.
There is a young man in my country that is known for his music. He's a young boy, jumping, singing, all kinds of things, dancing this way. But that one, God has poured an oil on him. He calls him my servant. This is my first time of speaking publicly. His name is Davido. God said, for he is my servant. For he shall be president of Nigeria, and he shall unite the country. Yet this guy is jumping up, singing, and he's a secular musician, but yet chosen by God in the realm of the spirit. In the spirit realm, I saw him knelt before Jesus, and the Lord took a jar of oil and poured on his head.
While the prophecy has generated buzz online, its implication and potential fulfillment remain to be seen. Is there a possibility in this prophecy? Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below, and keep watching Naija News TV.